said she wanted it to last forever. She said that she thought we was meant to be. Turned out we just go with history. Turns out it's just you missing me. I love her hard cause old chemistry. She said she love her hard so don't fuck with me. She said I love her is a empathy. I gave all my love and I left with no energy. She said live life on the edge. I've been up early with bread. Talk to the birds, get you to the head. I'm in the car with a Barbie. After this you know she due for the bed. I live the life.
Okay, what? I said, get the milk and I'm right on the drill. If you play with me, nigga, you can get killed. If you play with me, nigga, you can get a drill. You can get spilled, like some milk, like some juice. And I'm getting to the boot. And I don't gotta quit. Young nigga, you don't play with me. I'll bite you like a flea. Alright. I ain't gonna lie, we on a YouTube video tip today. Niggas playing Bruh and Boogie. Call yo bro, Bruh and Boogie. Get the milk. Niggas ready to get some milk, you heard me? That shit your dad tried to go do a while back, but he ain't never come back and shit like that, you feel me? Yeah, shit like that. Man, that's crazy, your dad ain't never come back though. What if I don't want to wake up, bro? What if I want to stay asleep? What if niggas just want to sleep today?
Morning, Bachy. Think you could make me a coffee? Need to get the afternoon started. No can do, bro. We ran out of milk 3 business days ago. Oh man, back to sleep I guess. Think I'll give hibernation a shot. Wait bro, why don't you go to the shop here and get some milk? I have a feeling the fate of the world depends on it. Okay, trust your gut and all that. Time to go on a milk mission.
Would you like to play a brief tutorial?
Nah. I'm not a tutorial nigga, bro.
Alright, time to point and click my way to figuring out how to get the milk.
Man, how about you point your way to some clothes, nigga? You need an outfit, or you just got underwear on. Look at my mask. Ain't no way you got underwear on with your hands in your dip, though. Ain't no fucking way. Yeah, we got his hands in his dip. What, you cold? So we done.
Bro is like a rock.
Ain't no fucking way there's bro jokes on this bitch, bro. Ain't no fucking way.
I'm gonna put my back out if I try and move that without some kind of aid. I think I'll leave that on the wall. I already checked. No hidden compartments behind it.
I ain't gonna lie, yo. I just thought about that, yo. Couches do not be that heavy. Probably a joke, though. Couches ain't that heavy, though.
It's my biggest fan.
You deserve to be slapped for that one.
I first need to plug in the TV.
Okay.
Take that, devil box. Let's see you try program my opinions now.
Hey, buddy. That's not. Oh, there we go.
Take that, devil box. Let's see you try program my opinions now.
There's a fucking onion. Oh no god. Jesus. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna try this one more time. Why is it like all of a sudden like way harder? Okay, I'm out. Fuck that shit. Not a W gamer. Suck this.
That's our whack friend Platitudipus. He always talks in platitudes. It is what it is.
That's a good
That's
joke.
the coolest rapping dude around. Beatboxing Dave. That's our cat, Pregnant Cat. She's the best. Hey, Pregnant Cat, did you know it doesn't matter whether you succeed or not, you're still contributing to the social and cultural fabric. We're all experiencing our collective karma, and we all need to account for it.
Come on, buddy, I'm trying to play games. You're getting a little too deep. Getting a little too deep, man.
I don't want to stare too long lest I get lost in the mirror dimension.
That's what I'm saying.
Hey, man.
I don't want to stare too long lest...
That's what I'm...
Let me go. I want to go to this mirror dimension.
It's a sink. No use for it now, though.
Keyword now.
Sorry, Skellerina, I'm gonna need to borrow this for a second.
I will never forgive you.
Bleak. Nah, I'll leave them there. I'm okay for now, thanks. Always be prepared, as they say.
Who's they?
Yeah, who's they?
Guess we didn't need the bath jack after all. Gravity is an illusion.
Hectic.
Why did you just make me leave? Oh, go back in there. Yeah, niggas peep the sticker.
I'm camera shy. I don't need shampoo. Bald.
I mean, you know what? I ain't gonna see that.
I don't think that'll work.
If I use it on the
I
toilet,
don't think that'll work.
use the toilet on the toilet.
I want to keep this TP, not flush it down the toilet.
If I do this,
I don't think that'll work.
what if I do this?
I don't think that'll work.
What if I do this?
I don't think that'll work.
Okay. Fuck you. What's up with you, Boogie?
Hey, Bochi, how you doing, man? Pretty good, thanks, bro.
What's up with Boogie, I mean?
What am I supposed to be doing again?
You need to get milk from the shoppy.
Bochi, pitch yourself to me.
I'm Bochi, and I'm your best friend.
Remind me why we're wearing underpants?
You devoted yourself to only ever wearing underpants without compromise. I didn't understand it, but I respected the dedication, so I joined you. Now on principle, we only ever wear underpants.
Remember, Bochi, one has to commit oneself to something. Anything.
It's tough being principled, especially in winter.
No fucking way, he just dabbed.
The master's tools will never dismantle the master's house.
Okay.
Have you seen the tricycle immobilizer?
I haven't seen it in a while, but I hear it calling to me every time I watch TV. Like it's watching. Waiting.
Spooky. Will you help me lift the couch?
I need to keep an eye on the coffee machine in case anyone takes it.
They say a watched coffee pot never brews.
Who's they?
I don't know. Where am I gonna find milk?
Bro, at the shoppy. Take the tricycle, it's outside.
How do I get the map? Doggy Poggy's sleeping on it.
Well, the only thing he likes more than sleeping is eating. Although, I did see him do yoga a few times.
Oh, that's what I need to,
Look at Doggy Poggy. He's sleeping so
use the
soundly.
bone for.
What a good boy.
Truly a dog of mystery and a purveyor of the finer things in life.
The best boy. Truly. Did you know? I think dinosaurs looked like big chickens, and I bet they had beautiful plumage.
Bright feathers instead of dull scaly skin? I can kind of see it.
I bet they bobbed their heads like chickens or pigeons when they walked too.
Whoa, let's not get carried away.
Did you know? I think dinosaurs look like
Bright feathers.
I bet they bobbed their head.
Whoa.
I felt like he was gonna see something different. I don't know why.
Too high for me to reach.
No, it's not. It's literally not too high. Oh yeah, niggas take those.
Hey Bochi, why is there a crowbar in the fridge?
There wasn't any space in the freezer.
Man's frowned because of that shit. Should be able to reach
Too
it
high
out.
for me to reach.
Or-
I don't think that'll work. Maybe I can put something in it. $600 million year-old Himalayan crystal salt, and darn, it just expired last month.
God darn it. I hate it when that happens. Don't y'all hate it when that happens? Don't y'all hate it when that happens?
Hey Doggy Poggy, yeah boy. Not exactly what I had in mind, but it'll work.
Damn, it's
This
hella
shoppy is now a
locations.
destination you can travel to with your tricycle.
Your bird's hella locations.
Big brain.
Is it now? Can I take that back? Shit, can I take the bone back? Let me get him. Let me get him. Boy, I missed the sticker. I missed the
Oh
sticker.
man, I'm impressed.
I didn't mean to skip that dialogue. I apologize. Get that. Get this one. Get this one. Shorty is just picnicking on my front lawn. So,
What are you doing, Stacy?
Just having a one-woman picnic. Would you like to join?
I'd love to, but I'm on a milk mission.
Oh, what hard-working young man.
Yep, that's me. But maybe when I'm back, we could, I don't know, grab some coffee?
Oh, again with your cute jokes. Coffee is a hot liquid brew. You'll get third-degree burns if you grab it.
Okay, Maybe we could just observe some coffee from afar.
I ain't gonna lie, yo.
Did you know, soon the internet will be flooded with AI-generated content, as
Yes,
well as
sir.
legions of AI bots to drive fake engagement, making the internet an AI cesspit? It'll
Yes,
drive real
sir.
humans away from the internet until someone creates a new AI-free internet.
Yes, sir.
Teehee, I hope you're wearing sunscreen on that beautiful bald head of yours, bro.
Ooh, I don't like this bitch.
You wouldn't happen to have any milk in that picnic basket, would you?
I do actually.
Oh yes, crisis averted.
It's 0%. No fat, negative cream, H2O extract.
Isn't that just water?
Would you pay $100 a liter from the health store for water?
No, I guess not.
What?
So, Stacy, are you our mom?
Oh, bro, you always say the funniest things. Of course I'm not your mom. Oh, did you brush your teeth this morning?
Yes.
And did you wash behind your ears?
It's on the schedule.
Lovely. Now if you need help with your homework later, just give me a call.
But I don't have any. I mean, yeah, I will.
Okay, Stacy.
I can't get it off with just my hands. I need something stronger.
Bow, bow, hit that bitch. Uh-oh.
Violence wins again.
Let me get this book.
How to Dab for Dummies by Platitudipus. I understand it now.
You've unlocked Dab!
I ain't gonna lie.
Press D to dab, or click on the Dab button in the top left of your inventory.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. For the game developers, bro. Dabbing been stopped being funny, bro. You gotta make them shake that shit. Shaking that shit is hilarious, bro. First it was dabbing, then it was the shit NBA YoungBoy made up. Right foot, left creep, walking with that heat. That little shit. Now it's shaking that shit, bro. That's the funny dance. That's the troll dance. Shaking that shit, that's the troll dance. Niggas still dabbing. That shit is crazy.
What are you doing, Breadhead?
I'm just checking the structural integrity of the fence, okay?
That shit not
never
even
knew
that
you were into
ironic.
DIY.
Like,
Well, I'm not. I'm trying to break it.
Why?
How else am I supposed to check the structural integrity?
Oh, Breadhead, you're so mentally unstable. What are you doing, Breadhead?
I'm just checking the structural integrity of the fence, okay?
Never knew you were into DIY.
Well, I'm not. I'm trying to break it.
Why?
How else am I supposed to check the structural integrity?
Oh, Breadhead, you're so mentally unstable.
oh, I literally
Did you
just-
know? Our own observational tools, i.e. our eyes and our brain, are the limiting factors when observing the known universe.
My name is Breadhead. My head is made of bread.
Thank you, Breadhead. Cause my man's right here thought he was smart or something. Thank you. Thank you, Breadhead.
You wouldn't happen to have some milk we could borrow, Breadhead?
Nah, I don't drink milk. Goes right through me.
You're lactose intolerant?
No, I made it seeps through my bread, okay? Soaking every crumb until I suffocate from the inside. I could die if I drink milk brew. I could die.
Hectic. Do you know who clamped my tricycle?
The police.
But it's parked in our driveway.
Yeah, I found them.
Why?
You know the part of your brain that controls your most chaotic urges and stops you from turning into a sociopath?
Let me guess.
Well, mine's made of bread, you know. Doesn't work. I'm insane, Brew. Criminally insane, okay? Yeah. You have a good day now, okay?
Oh,
Okay,
Breadhead,
yeah.
what are we gonna do with you?
I am Breadhead, yeah. Okay, yeah. I watch you when you're asleep. Yeah.
If only I could get past that thing.
Yeah. My
The
name
alarm
is
is off.
Breadhead.
Nice.
I actually sabotage your bike so that the brakes don't work. Cause I am Breadhead.
Alright, I have
Want to see
everything
your
I need to
bike
set out to the
flop,
Shopley.
flip, and fly all over the place. I am Breadhead. I am Breadhead.
Gotta get the milk. Gotta get the milk. Gotta
I don't like how this nigga.
We gotta get the milk.
Yes, God.
Well, here I
We at
am.
the store.
Time to get this milk.
We at the store with it.
Oh yes, Beatboxing Dave.
Guy.
He's probably the coolest dude in the world. Saving Princess Yum Yum from the lecherous advances of passive-aggressive Steve. Boof, boof, ksh. What a champ. Hey, how do you switch this thing on?
Is there a fire somewhere, dear boy?
No.
Then please leave that alone. The municipality has been plagued by a man with a ciabatta head setting off hydrants all over the place. Are you aware? Honestly, who would have thought someone could have a loaf of bread for a head? Wait a minute, I think I'm in business with someone matching that description. I'm running so many businesses, it's hard to keep track. Oh, the challenges of being a trillionaire. At least here in this box, I am happy and free.
Hi, Mr. Bachi.
A good day to you, sir.
Did you know, once quantum AI cracks the seeds of 24-bit security, everyone in the world's crypto wallets will be hacked all at once?
You mean my boogie coin might get stolen from my cold wallet? Good grief, I'm overexposed, dear chap. I should never have listened to Moon 3942.
I knew it.
See ya,
I was
Mr.
thinking
Bachi.
about it. I'm
Au
like,
revoir,
this
my
guy gotta be
unusual
into crypto.
man-child.
This guy's gotta be into crypto. Look at that.
I can see a turtle eating pizza down there, but he looks chill, so I'll leave him alone.
You don't think I'm gonna complete this in one gameplay session? I don't know. Oh, look at my mans, yo.
Who are you?
Who starts a conversation like that?
Oh, I mean, hello. Who are you?
My name is Jackson.
Jackson.
Do you work
bro,
here?
This is crazy.
Just because
bro.
I'm dressed like a worker and look like I'm working doesn't mean I work here. I'm actually unemployed.
My bad. Yeah, they say the economy has been going down lately, eh?
Who says that?
You know, they.
Ah, I see.
I'm glad one of us does.
The mysterious they. Honestly, I think it's AI.
Politicians
I
are
think that is AI that's saying
prostitutes.
Everybody knows that already.
Good.
it. Politicians are prostitutes.
Politicians are prostitutes.
Everybody knows that already.
Good.
I feel like saying something like that probably couldn't go on YouTube, but fuck it.
I need some milk.
Niggas is taking that risk.
I haven't eaten in 5 days.
You win, I think. Do you know Mr. Bachi?
I've heard he's very rich. If only I knew his secret.
I can tell you my secret.
And that's why you're broke.
Damn. True. True, that probably is why I'm broke. Let me get this sticker. Fuck on my face.
Bye, Jackson.
Probably is why I'm broke. That's probably exactly why I'm broke.
It's a carousel selling postcards of locations around Kiftown. Hey look, there's Volcano Mountain, Anxiety Village and Platitudipus's Grotto. I'm not sure I'd be able to store an entire watermelon in my pants.
I beg to differ.
Huh?
Hey yo.
I don't want the
Michael
smiling
Jackson,
apple.
relax.
It hurts my eyes.
Please refrain from disturbing the fresh produce, sir.
What?
Want me to come disturb you? What's up with you, dumbass?
Who are you?
I'm Birdie, and I run the shoppy.
Boy, your glasses sure are thick.
Yes, well, I can't see particularly well. I'm legally blind in 5 provinces.
And what about the other 4?
Wanted for manslaughter.
Are those
Yeah.
glasses for near or short-sightedness?
Whatever one means, I can see stuff from far, but I can't see stuff close.
Huh. How can you tell if someone's giving you correct tender?
I can't. Just the other day, someone gave me $20, and I thought it was money.
I'd like to buy the milk, please.
If you have $5, you can buy that milk.
What if I don't have $5?
Can't you go draw some money?
Well, I did standard grade arts and crafts back in grade 8.
I meant from an ATM.
I like my idea better.
Or we can be black about it.
Do you accept other forms of payment?
Nope.
Could
Cash
be
only,
black about
boyo.
it.
What
Just
about
saying.
credit cards?
I don't accept that type
Could
of
be
alien
very,
witchcraft.
could be
Cash
very
only.
African American right now, and just you know.
Can you tell me about the guy sitting outside?
Oh, Mr. Bergie? Sure. He pretty much owns everything in this town. Say, he probably even owns those underpants you're wearing.
Hey, you're right.
He made his fortunes on swaps. Like you'd give him something he wants, and he gives you something of lesser value. It's very effective business strategy.
Alright, Birdie.
Bye-bye, Birdie. Bye-bye.
Yep.
Oh, yes, milk.
Alright, let's leave. We being black about it. Let's leave. But wait, let me see what's up.
What are those?
Empty files for you to store all your documents.
All my documents are digital. Are those plums or bombs?
Why not both?
Why not indeed? What's inside those small boxes?
Even smaller boxes.
And what's inside those boxes?
Pie.
Don't you mean pie?
Recurring.
What's in the boxes?
More boxes.
Bye, Jackson.
Jackson, you son of a bitch. You son of a bitch, Jackson. What if I use this one?
Cash only.
Alright, I'm stealing.
Hey, you need to pay for that. Put it back.
Boo, you are a fucking bitch, bro.
Oh, yes, milk.
How you know just let you take that motherfucker, man? Hey, listen.
Why is there so little stuff in the shoppy?
Things have never been the same after the Great Depression.
The Great Depression? I thought that was ages ago.
I mean my own Great Depression.
Makes sense.
I'd like to buy the milk, please.
If you have $5, you
What if I don't have...
can't you go draw?
Well, I did...
I meant from an
Bye-bye, Birdie. Bye-bye.
Hey, you need to pay for that. Put it back.
Hello there. Can I help you?
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Brr.
Brew? Brew who?
Cheer up, old chap. It's just a joke.
What is a brew? I've never heard anything quite like this before. Who's brew? I don't know. Is this some sort of a witch's spell? A brew? Is she putting toads and Eye of Newt into a potion? Don't buzz again, okay?
Hee hee. Hi, Mr. Bergie.
A good day to you, sir.
Mr. Bergie, I need
Who are
like
you?
$5.
Why, I'm Mr. Bergie.
Mr. Bergie. Let me get some money.
If you have so much money, why do you have a sign saying please help?
Oh, that, yes. I'm looking for something to lift up my Lamborghini. I was speeding at 6 billion miles an hour when one of my wheels came off. I haven't been able to get back to my buggy mansion and have been waiting for some kind soul to help me.
And the money in your hat?
I simply placed my hat on the ground to let my brow breathe, and the next thing, people were putting money in my cap.
Did you know? Once quantum AI
Oh, we already did
You
that.
mean my good grief?
What's this one?
subvert the dominant paradigm.
No, don't do that. Maintain the status quo. My wealth depends on it, dear boy.
Hey man, I hope y'all paying attention. They talking about some real shit, low key.
Why are you living in a box?
Who said anything about habitation? I'm merely perusing the rental market at the moment. This place is a renovator's dream.
Wait, you have a lamp.
Why, yes, I have 52. One for each week of the year. Do you have something that might help me raise it up so I can change the tire? Like a jack? Or possibly a jack?
I'm looking for some milk.
Ah, yes.
See ya, Mr. Bergie.
Au revoir, my unusual man-child.
I found a jack for your Lambo.
Oh no, this just won't do.
But it's a jack, like you asked for.
After pondering on it for a while, I realize a normal jack isn't good enough for my car. I need something a bit more innovative, or rousing. Take my card. If you find someone else who could assist or inspire, please let them contact me.
Alright, Joe, so I'm gonna be real. I don't know what else to do. The fuck? Hold on, bro. Boy. Go back. Don't make me sit. Oh, I was very safety. Now make me sit through that animation again. Bang.
Do you want this?
No thanks, Brew. I have everything I need right now.
Do you want this?
No thanks, Brew. I'm Breadhead.
Do you want this?
No thanks, Brew. I'm Breadhead.
I'm Breadhead. I'm Breadhead. Breadhead. Hey, bro, you want
Do
this?
you want this? I think you should hang on to it.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm confused, I'm lost, I don't know. I don't know. Hey, get on the bike. Man's walked around it. You didn't even get on the bike. You walked around it. Man, go in the store, man. Show Michael Jackson the cut.
Is that Mr. Bergie's card?
Apparently he needs someone to help him, and you seem like you need a job.
Oh, finally, some good news. Can you take me to see him?
But he's right there. If he was a Wi-Fi, you could connect to him.
I'm just really emotional right now, and walking will set off my PTSD.
Okay then, in you go. Inside my underpants. Or as my friend calls it, my pants factory.
Wouldn't be my first time.
Hey man, niggas is not standing for that Michael Jackson slander. I ain't gonna lie to you. My man's united the world. One of the only people to ever be able to accomplish something like that. Of course they wanted to get rid of him. Can't be uniting the world. Need to be divided. Can't unite shit. That's not how it works. That's not beneficial. And he said I'm gonna put the Jackson on him.
I found someone who could lift up your Lambo.
Nigga said I'm gonna put the Jackson on him.
Ah, you look like a strapping young lad. You'll be perfect for the job. Just sign this contract.
Thank you for giving me a chance, Mr. Berkey. You won't regret it. So, what will I be doing?
You will hold my Lamborghini, just as the mighty Atlas was said to have held up the globe.
What?
It only weighs 1,500 kgs's. I just need my tire changed.
But I can't do that. It's physically impossible. Why don't you use a jack?
The key to creating wealth is to always be forward-thinking. Jacks are old news. We need a paradigm shift. Which is why you shall be my newest innovation and investment. The Organic Jack. By the way, I own you now.
What have I done?
Brew, as a small token of my appreciation for your assistance, please accept this gold pen. User accepts full responsibility for gift. No correspondence will be entered into.
But
no correspondence will be entered into.
You know what would be a funny character in a game like this? If y'all made like a female character, but made her like Andrew Tate and call it Andrea Kate. And just make her like, you just gotta make her like the biggest bitch ever. I ain't gonna lie. But you gotta make it like, you gotta make it funny, like, I don't know. I don't know though. I think that's the end for this recording, bro. I'ma holler at y'all, bro. It's a cool little game. I might play it again if y'all want me to. Feel me? Yeah, yo, I enjoy playing for y'all and shit like that. Yeah. Peace.
I live the life, no sorry. I was getting money, I'm sorry, I was tired. She said she wished we could last forever, but I ain't love her like I loved on the chatter. She's gonna say I left with my hands in my sweater while she was outside in the cold ass weather. I feel like waiting on way. She want me in the mouth, Colgate, you pay. Put that ass in reverse, okay, touche. She wanna take a spin on Shaw Freeway.